visited me 2 moons ago. He did not tell me that his plan had failed.
None of that matters now. We have an agreement with you, Scourge. Fight beside me now, and you'll have all I offered you.
My clan and I fight when we choose. I will think about what you have said. There will be no battle today.
Traitor!
Your friend here thought he could control us. He was wrong.